Hello, my beautiful, amazing crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, LadySamoan, and we are back with another video. Yes, 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 y'all. This video is a little different than what I have been doing, but I wanted to come and share with y'all some of the things that I had brought that I didn't open. Y'all, some of these, I brought two things, and one came probably about 2 weeks ago, and the other one came a little bit before that one, like a week before that. So I was like, listen, I need to open these packages, and I want to show y'all. This is package number one that we are going to open together so we can talk about some of the things that I got. And I'm so excited about it because I haven't unboxed anything on the channel in a while, and I was just like, I think it would be cool to unbox and show y'all what I got. So the first thing that I'm unboxing, it was this young lady on TikTok that made the what is it called? I'm gonna show y'all because listen, I'll butcher something up and say the wrong thing, and I don't want to do that, y'all. Okay, so oh, this is so cute. So we got, let me see, y'all. So we got a little package that it came with. This is like a yarn holder. So when you're crocheting, you put the yarn on it, and then you can kind of spin it around. So she got live like you were dying. It's a sticker. Just using live every moment of every day. Thank you for your support. Thank you for supporting the Farron. I think it's Farion. It's a Farrion. I hope you love this item as much as I love making it. Please be sure to follow on TikTok, Etsy, and Instagram. And she have this right here. I'm gonna show y'all her card so that y'all can see. Oh my goodness, I love stickers, y'all. My daughter love these cute little cow stickers. My daughter will I'm trying. Look at me. I'm trying to show it so y'all can see. Okay, cute little cow stickers came with it. Some more stickers, and I'm gonna show y'all her card. This is her card. If y'all want to check her out, I don't know. Let me see if it'll focus, y'all, and then I'll show y'all how it looks. There we go. I hope y'all can see that. Okay, so then it came. I got red, and I think y'all will see why I got red when I open it. Oh, if I don't sit here. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this is, okay, does it go like this? Yes, this is it, y'all, right here. So it is a heart yarn holder, and once you can see the spinning. So when the yarn is on it and you have to pull a yarn, it'll just spin from being on that. I don't have all of this yarn behind me. I don't have one to show y'all example, but that's that's me. But I love this because I thought it was super cute with the heart. And I was like, you know what? I gotta get one of these. And I can see myself crocheting and pulling and just letting it go. And I think it works with when you pull it from around, because I'm usually a center pull person, but I find that sometimes I do not like when it said a yarn puke. I do not like when that yarn get all messy and all of that. You got to find that. So sometimes it's cool to go from the outside, but when you go from the outside, your yarn kind of falls all over the place. So having this right here is going to actually be so cool, because as I pull, it'll just go around and around and around. So I think this was a good investment. I was so excited when I saw it, and I really wanted to support her when I saw her on TikTok. So I went onto her Etsy and got this right here, and I think it is really cute. So that's my little yarn winder. And then, y'all, I made an order. We're going to talk about this while I open this box, because this box is a little different. Make sure I don't get my address on here. This box is a little different. I made this order from AliExpress, and I have a video about them a while ago. I think I made that video last year talking about where I get my crochet eyes from. So I'm really into the bigger eyes when I make plushies with burn that blanket yarn. And I was like, you know what? I want some more of the 35mm eyes. So one thing about them, like I said before on the video that I previously made, if y'all have not checked that video out, you should check it out. One thing about them is that it takes a little while for your order to come, but when you buy in bulk, like I brought a couple, it's not that much as I brought before, but when you buy in bulk, it makes more sense. Like money wise, you get like such a good deal. Like you can buy crochet safety eyes from Etsy. I'm using this to open the show. You can buy it from Etsy. I think you can buy it off of Amazon and stuff, and that's all nice and dandy. But I'm telling you, when you purchase your eyes from AliExpress as a bulk, you get such a better deal. You can get more like quality. It's just if you want to wait. So I wanted to show y'all these because I thought this was cute. These are the 25 millimeter eyes, and this is how they come. And I wanted to share and show because these were so cute. And I have these in pink, and I'm not gonna lie about it. I'm not the biggest fan of the ones in pink. So I hope I love the ones in black. So look at this, guys. I'll show y'all these safety eyes. I'm gonna take the plastic off of this one. Look at that. Oh, there we go. It's the heart. Can y'all see that? It's the heart in there. And I think it's so cute. And I got it in pink. I am not a fan of the pink ones. I don't know why, but the black ones, I said, let me try. And they do come with, I don't see it in here. Wait a minute. I think they do, at least I thought they should come with the little backings, or did I just get it as the clear? I may have just gotten it as the clear. I guess I just got it as the clear without the backings. But anyways, those were the ones that I got, the heart ones. And then I got some 30 millimeter eyes, which they all come just like this again. These are the 30 millimeter ones. I thought this is what I was talking about when I said they come with the back end. This is how the back end looks if you ever order from them. And it just depends on what you choose from your order. Like I have the glitter backings because I love the glitter eyes, y'all. But they have like some hologram looking ones and stuff like that. And these are the 30 millimeters. So I got a pack of these for the 30 millimeters. So I have a pack of the 25 millimeters of hearts, a pack of the 30, and then I have 2 packs of the 35 millimeters. And I absolutely love these. And like I say, as you can see, they come with the same thing with the little glitter patches. And I got them all in glitter patches. And then you get your safety eyes. I never had a bad experience with them. I always, like I say, order from AliExpress when it came down for the eyes because I got such a good deal. So I ordered from Amazon before, and the quality of the Amazon ones were okay. But I really feel like the quality of these right here from AliExpress was so much better and so much worth it. So with that being said, those are the 2 things that I wanted to share that I actually had in the box for a minute. And I'm actually going to use, I think, either the 30 or 35. I'm not sure. I'm going to use one of these packs for the 2 bunnies. So I will choose. I'm not sure. I love the bigger eyes. I love the 35. I know some people are like, this too big. But when you're using Burnett and it's a nice product that have good spacing, it makes it look so cute. I like it. Kind of gives me like the beanbag look, beanbag baby looks. So with that being said, y'all, I'm not going to hold y'all. I'm going to pull out from the inspiration jar. I hope y'all are having a beautiful middle of your week because this video is in the middle of the week, y'all. And let's get us some middle of the week inspiration going on. So this says, there is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. I'm going to just leave that right there. One more time. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. Make it up in your mind and understand there is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. I hope y'all are having a beautiful and an amazing middle of your week. And as always, I want you to remember, I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, LadySamoan, and I will see you next time.